Good morning, students. You are most welcome in this class. Today, I am going to teach the mathematics of class 5th class. This is 10th chapter decimals. In previous class, I have also taught you about the decimal. I have given the introduction of this, and now we learn something more. First thing, that what is the decimal places. Okay, what is the decimal places? We know, we try to understand with an example. I am taking 23.231. So you know that this part, what is the name of before the decimal and after the decimal? This is the whole part, whole number, and after the decimal, this is called a decimal part, decimals. Okay, decimal part. So the digit, the number of digits in decimal part, that is called decimal places. So how many decimal places there is? That is first, that is second, and that is third. Okay, so how many decimal places there? There are 3 decimal places. Okay, another example, suppose that 0.123. So how many decimal places there? 1, 2, 3, and after decimal there is 0, no value. So also here there are 3 decimal places. We always start from the which is the nearest of the decimal. This is first place, that is second, and that is third. Okay. Another example, suppose that 2.001 or 2. So how many decimal places? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many decimal places? 4 decimal places. It means the number of digits which is written in the decimal part, that is called decimal places. Okay, so now what is like decimals and what is unlike decimals? If 2 or more than 2 decimal numbers are given and the decimal places are same, then that is a like decimal. Suppose that I am writing 1.2. Now here 1.2, 32.3, 129.9. The decimal places only one digit, one number given. So these are like decimals. And another example, now also here decimal places 1, 2, 2. Also here 1, 2. Here 1, 2. Before the decimal, it means whole number. You don't need to look that. There is this one can vary, but after the decimal places should be equal. Then these numbers are said like decimals. Okay, and unlike when the decimal places are different, 1.2 or 19.235, there is 1 decimal place, there is 3 decimal place, or 19.01, there is 2 decimal place. So all are different. 2, 1, that is 3, and that is 2. Okay, so now the question arise there in exercise. You will do that. How will you convert unlike decimal into like decimal? How will you convert unlike decimal into like decimal? It means unlike decimal is given, you have to convert it to like decimal. Then how? So if the decimal places are equal, then it becomes like decimal. suppose that this one. So you know that you have to find out what, how many maximum decimal places are given. Which one is the maximum? There are 3 decimal places. Here 1, here 2. So what is the maximum? 3 decimal places is maximum. If we write 1.2 and 00, then it can become also 3 decimal places. Also 19.235 and here 19.01. And we put one more 0 because after the decimal, if there are given 0, so there is no value, so we can write 1.200. Also here 19.010. Okay, so this become also like decimal. This is the like decimal. This is like decimal. This is unlike decimal. So this type you will do the next course, whatever exercise, whatever given questions in your exercise. Now I do the exercise. Now we do the exercise 40. Convert unlike decimals into like decimals. Okay, just I have taught you that you have to change. You have to find out whatever the maximum number of decimals. Okay, and there a first number below, there are 2 and there is 1. Okay, there is 1 decimal place and there is 2 decimal place. So we can convert 1 into 2. Not, and we can't change 2 into 1. We can make 1 into 2, but 2 we can't convert into 1. Okay, it means from smaller we can go to the big, but from big we can't go to the small. So, and if we put 9.5 and if we put 0, then it becomes 2 decimal place, and this one 102.86. So these two become the like decimals. Okay, because the decimal places are equal. Same you can do E number. So what is the maximum decimal place? There is 1, there is 3, there is 2. If we put 1 0 here, so this becomes 3 decimal place, and here 2 zeros, so this becomes 3 decimal places. Okay, so you can write 101.010 and there is no change, and here 10.600. So now this becomes the 3 decimal place, 3 decimal place, 3 decimal place. This is the answer. Okay, now 3 number question. Arrange in ascending order. You have to arrange in ascending order. So what is you work? First you change this one into like decimals. Okay, so unlike given, so like, what is the maximum decimal place? That is 2, there is 2, there is 1, there is 2, there is 2. So change every number into like decimals. 0.1, so we will put 10, 0.61, 0.01. So ascending order, we write first the smallest digit. Which one is the smallest? After the decimal you have to find out, that is 3, there is 0, 1, 6 and 0. So you know the 0 is the smallest digit, but here 0 and 2 places are 0. 0.6, 0.1, which is the smallest? So 0.1 is the smallest. 0.01 first write, then which one? So we will write 0.06, and now 2 number we used. Now 0.3 or 0.1 or 0.6. So this one is smaller. 0.10, now 0.34, and at last 0.61. Okay, so this is the answer. This is ascending order. Now next question. Also first convert into like decimal, maximum 3 decimal places. So convert 0.300, 0.003, 0.030, 3.030, 30.300, 30.030. Okay, 3 decimal places we found. Now which one is the smallest? Which one is the smallest? 0, 0, 0. These three are the smallest number. Now find out. After the decimal, that is 3. After the decimal, that is 2. That is 0. These two you have to consider which one is the smallest. 0.03 and here 0.30. It means this one is the smallest. 0.03 and 0.003. Then this one 0.030. Then this one 0.300. Now you have to consider with this one. This is 3 point and this is 30. So we can write 3.030. Now this two, that is 30. Okay, leave that. Now after the decimal, that is 0.3 and that is 0.1. Which one is the smaller? This one is the smaller. 30.030 and at last this one 30.300. Okay, this is the answer. This time you can do the race questions. Okay, now we see you in the next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye.